I'm Kath Falco, and thanks for your interest in this special issue on climate change and family therapy. I work as a psychologist and clinical family therapist. I'm also a PhD student at the University of Sydney and the University Centre for Rural Health, based in the Northern Rivers on Bundjalung country, which is where I live and work. I'm really looking forward to reading all the articles in this issue, and I wanted to share some highlights from a paper that I co-authored with Paul Rhodes and James Dunk. In the paper, we start by drawing attention to and reminding the reader of family therapy's history in social justice, and we discuss how this history supports the field in broadening its lens to meet the climate crisis. We then explore the ways in which listening to and learning from Indigenous worldviews is necessary for developing responsible, ethical and caring relationships with the living world and embracing our more than human family. We also point to family therapy's privileging of time over space and therefore place, and how a preoccupation with the temporal means we might neglect relationships with place. And as a way of addressing problematic widespread anthropocentrism that exists not only in family therapy but in most disciplines, we look beyond social justice and discuss the offerings of multispecies justice in broadening the systemic lens. I was very happy that we were able to include a quote from beloved poet Mary Oliver. We close the essay with a passage from Upstream. It's one of the most wonderful descriptions of systems theory I've heard. She writes, "I would say that there exist 1,000 unbreakable links between each of us and everything else, and that our dignity and our chances are one. The farthest star and the mud at our feet are a family, and there is no decency or sense in honouring one thing or a few things and then closing the list. The pine tree, the leopard, the Plate River, and ourselves. We are at risk together, or we are on our way to a sustainable world together. We are each other's destiny." We hope you enjoy this issue.